morning and welcome to SULSEL Update in English with me, Rasni Gani. And here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. Heavy rain in North Toraja Regency, South Sulawesi has led to the death of one person and 5 others injured. The disaster happened in Karua Village, Balusu Subdistrict, North Toraja this Wednesday. This place has been affected by torrential rain and landslides, with a month worth of rain falling in a half day in some areas. It comes just 2 weeks after the landslide blocked the main road or access road Toraja Regency and Luwu Regency. Based on the data received from the Regional Disaster Management Authority of North Toraja, the landslide occurred at 4:30 a.m. 1 resident died, 5 injured, and 2 houses were damaged by the landslide. A total of 8 families or 20 people fled to the nearest relative's house. This is an effort to anticipate the impact of the other landslide. The ground movement was unavoidable, 2 houses being carried away by the landslide. Based on the risk study, North Toraja is an area with a high potential for the landslide hazard. A total of 20 sub-districts area in this potential, including the Balusu area, which is currently one of the villages where the landslide exists. In other place, heroic story coming from the education side. Agustina Neja, an honorary teacher in elementary school 206 in Talepon village, Bituang district, Tanah Toraja, still taught the student. She is still enthusiastic about the teaching, although the current situation, school building was hit by the landslide. Agustina Neja shared her worries about the teaching and learning process. He was worried about another landslide. The intensity of the rain of Tanah Toraja areas is still quite high. Actually, they were in a dilemma between life and education. In the disaster that occurred, Agustina hoped for attention from the district government. Particularly, the education office should immediately provide assistance and solutions so that the teaching and learning process return to normal. In addition, many students' chairs and tablets were damaged. The landslide hit the Talepon Elementary School in the early morning this Tuesday. One classroom at the school was badly damaged. For now, the teaching and learning process has been moved to the school terrace. Even though the sun was shining, it seemed that the students were still eager to learn. Meanwhile, the region of Tanah Toraja, Theophilus Alo Rerung, said that the team immediately looked after alternatives so that the teaching and learning process and the elementary school of 206 Talepon returned to normal. Now moving on to the next top story. The husband was arrested because of the drugs. The wife still in a house to feed her child. This is what happened to a woman resident lived in Jalan Abu Bakar Lambogo, Makassar City. For the past 3 weeks, a mother of a child has been arrested in Biringkanaya police station. She was arrested by the Biringkanaya police committing theft in an empty house. She stole phone, jewelry, and other things. Unfortunately, she was cuffed and CCTV monitoring cameras. She couldn't do anything. Head of Biringkanaya Police Department, Rujianto, said that the perpetrator is a mother. She drove alone while monitoring a target house. She was looking for an open door houses, then snooping around. The perpetrator had been carried out twice in a different location. She sold the cell phone to buy milk for a 3-year-old son. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching, and this has been Rasni Gani.